Hey guys, let's see how to schedule a post on company's page. So this is my LinkedIn profile and here I have a page called Technology and Innovations. So if I click on this, I get options. If I click on create, here you will get an opportunity, basically an option to start a post. And you can do many things. You can create event, you can post a job, you can create an ad, you can publish article, newsletters, you can add product, you can showcase the company's details. Like if company has acquired a new company, then you can uh, post that as well. So if I click on start post, I have something to post here. So I've copied the link here. How to find out your server machine is down or not. So here if you see this watch icon schedule for later, here you get the option, so you can select the date, that is for tomorrow, and the time would be around 10 a.m. If I say new, then it will get scheduled. So I'll just type the subject. Please check out the log to know your server status. Then I'll add tags here. It's like LinkedIn, FAM, Microsoft, technology, Windows. Like this, I've created the tags and then I'll click on schedule. So as you can see, the post has been successfully scheduled. So it is going to be published tomorrow at 10 a.m. So if you like the content, then just keep supporting with likes or comments. Thank you.